Yesterday, today, and forevermore. What you say is what you do. You never fail, you never change.
There is more to Jesus. There is more to Jesus than we have seen. Can you drink tonight? Can you rattle? Can you rattle? Can you rattle?
We trust God that He's going to raise an army that will ride on the wings of purity. That's our main focus for this year. That's why the theme of this year's concert is the yearning. So the Church of God will rise again, but on the wings of purity.
Too faithful to fail me. You're too faithful to disappoint me. You've proven yourself in my life, and I've come to realize you're too faithful to fail me. You're too faithful to fail me. Oh Jesus, you're too faithful to disappoint.
When we hear about the sign from heaven, our yearning for God is greater because we know it is more of spirituality. So that is why we're here.
Realize you're too faithful to fail me. Hey, da, 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 da. Oh, da, da, da. Hey, da, 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 da. Yes, we worship. You are God.
You are who you are. Yesterday,
Today,
and forever.
what you say, Lord.
What you say is what you do.
Lord, you never fail.
Never fail.
It's going to be an heavenly sound. Like I said before, it's not just a musical concert, it's a revival. That young man, whenever I see him, I see grace. I see the oil flowing. Yes, I see the oil, and I see God taking him far, 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 far. Sounds from Heaven actually is not going to stop here in Nigeria. It's going to attract everybody.
Wickrose is my boss. I call him my boss, and he's also my mentor. So I bless God for letting me know him. Yes.
Hello everyone, this is Will Praise, the convener of Sounds from Heaven concert, Kingsview Entertainment.
There's a place beyond the cloud. There are realms deep in the spirit. Lord, please open the mountain.